Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to show you how to arrange folders inside any new project or course that you create. First thing is creating a new course folder with the course name. Let's name it anything, Arduino, programming in C, or any other thing. The next thing is creating new folder. Let's call it Camtasia. Now this Camtasia folder will include all Camtasia projects that we are working on for this course. So any new project that we create, we must place it inside here. Next, we need to create another folder and name it video. Now any new video that we export or any project in Camtasia that we export into an MP4 video must be placed inside here. After that, we need to create another folder and call it PowerPoint, in which we place our PowerPoint presentation. Then we create another folder and call it code and support file. In this, we add any codes, circuit schematics, any images that we used, any videos that we showed, anything that we used as support material for our course must be placed here. Now we can create a separated folder for the schematics, circuit design and schematics, as you can see. And this is basically how we arrange our folders. We create new projects, save them inside the Camtasia, then we export them into videos here, we place PowerPoints here, we place codes here, we place circuit designs here. And this is the folder structure for anything that we create or any new course that we create. So for each course, we need to have all of these folders inside it. For example, here is the Camtasia folder that has all the projects that we have been working on in Camtasia. Here is the video folder that has all the videos that we have exported from Camtasia. And here is the code for our course. Here is the final code. Here is the PowerPoint presentation. We prefer placing it inside a folder, as we already mentioned, and you must make a folder to place these two images, the circuit, design, and the board. That's it for this lesson. This is how to arrange your files, your folders, and everything. Now, a few things that we need to mention is that each course must be at least 30 minutes long, and it must contain at least 5 videos. And the PowerPoint presentation for each of the video, the PowerPoint presentation needs to have at least 2 slides. So you cannot create a video out of 1 slide. You have to create at least 2 slides. As we already mentioned, most of the videos would be practical, but the first video will be an introduction plus what you will learn in this course. So 2 slides, and everything that you need to add, additional information, must be placed inside the notes in the PowerPoint presentation, not on the presentation itself. As you can see here, we have a PowerPoint presentation. Let me show it to you. Here it is. As you can see, this is the PowerPoint presentation, and here we have the course name, the team name, and an image, and all the information that we need to say are placed inside the notes section. Same thing for here, same thing for here, again same thing for here. And as you can see, most of the info are placed inside the notes. The slide is only containing an image and a title, plus what you will learn in this course. Now this is regarding the PowerPoint, and I think now that everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.